looks like water. Do you guys see that? A never-ending quest to address my son's eczema. We are gonna start making our own moisturizing hand soap so that I can make sure that it is more hydrating. I'm gonna show you the recipe that I figured out. It is so easy. Okay, first things first, you need a jar. He broke the last one because, well, he broke it because it's glass and I put glass in a teenager's bathroom. So I just use regular water, guys, because there's no preservative, so you don't want the water to mold. Just need distilled water. So not purified water, not any, just distilled water. Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, and I got the peppermint version. Vegetable glycerin, and that is to help your skin stay hydrated. When you wash your hands, it dehydrates, it pulls the oils out of your skin. Glycerin helps to retain the moisture. I love vegetable glycerin. I use it on pretty much everything. It's the Frank's hot sauce of cosmetics. You know, they say, I put that on everything. There you go. One of these little guys, or just stir it. We're gonna be fancy and use this guy though. Ooh. Okay, I think I might need some more water, but we're gonna start there and see how it feels. I'm not sure if he's gonna love this, but then I was like, let me let him try it, because you see it's very watery, but I tried to thicken it up with that like salt and water. That did not work for me at all. I'm gonna tell you what, I put this on the counter and I explained to him, hey, this is gonna be very thin compared to traditional hand soap that you're used to, but give it a try. He did. I'm going to show y'all. This child has the worst eczema. I mean, we have him on every steroid cream known to man. Watch how this stuff foams. It literally looks like water. Do you guys see that lather? That peppermint smell is divine. I mean, I swear to you, this is so hydrating feeling. I feel like you could just leave it on your hands and just walk away. His hands are no longer cracked, and like they were literally so bad. I wish I had taken pictures. They were like, he didn't want me to share because, you know, it's like kind of embarrassing how bad it looked. It was awful, guys. If you're a mom, you know, when you see your child and it's not a good situation, he loves it. He's talking about, he was like, oh, you know, I think I might try this in the shower and use it as my body wash, because he said his hands are so hydrated, and he loves the smell, and he loves how it lathers. I'm shocked. I did not think he was gonna like it. Okay, so that's what we'll be going with from here on in. So that's how you make DIY moisturizing hand soap. He loves it. His hands aren't cracked anymore. So what more can you ask? The channel is all about saving money. All that product research that I do, I don't want it to go to waste, especially if I figure out something, I wanna share it with you guys. So if you enjoy money-saving videos, easy DIYs to save your family money, don't forget to like, comment, share this video with a frugal friend. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.